Hello everybody, getting ready to do 1.2 of 6th grade math today, part 1. Part 2 and part 3 are available at that email. 1.2 part 1 today, we got 2 points here of note taking. And we have a 20-point classwork sheet today on comparing and ordering integers. Teachers, here's today's bell work for your lesson today. Have your students describe what these signs mean. Complete these sentences, students. Give your students about 6-7 minutes to come up with these. If you need more room, students, attach an answer sheet. And if you're taking this course online, make sure that you take a picture of it with your phone and send it in. Okay, starting on our solutions here. This is less than, greater than. Check your work, students. Or teachers, if you had your students hand across the aisle, go ahead and do it that way. Equal sign, plus sign, negative sign, and blank is a statement that two quantities are not equal. And inequality is what you should have put, students. The set of all whole numbers and their opposites are integers. That's a very important term for this lesson, integers. Numbers greater than 0 are positive numbers. Numbers less than 0 are what, students? Negative numbers. So there's today's bell work. Check your answers. Into our lesson today, comparing and ordering integers. How do you compare and order integers? Good question. Comparing positive and negative integers, we have a soccer league here. We have a team with more wins than losses. So here's teams, different teams here, and then this is their combined win-loss record here. We have a few negatives in here. So graph the win-loss combined record for each team on the number line. So we have a number line here, and graph each one of these on a number line, students. Teachers, wait on your students here. Oh, I don't know, wait, give them 3-4 minutes for this. Okay, and for 0, who's got a 0 would be the Sharks. Then 4 would be the Jaguars. And then -4 would be the Badgers. -6 would be the Tigers. And then +2 would be the Cougars. -2 would be the Hawks. And then +6 would be the Wolves. So students, this is what you should have on your classwork sheet here, are these plots here for the records of these soccer teams. Put it on this number. Okay, so now that we have our plots for that, which team has the best record in the league, students? Well, let's see here. What's G? Wolves, their record is farthest to the right. So this would be the most positive score here, would be the Wolves. Right here, 6. Yeah, okay, there it is, 6 right there. And then which team has the worst record? How do you know? How do you know who's got the worst record? Well, Tigers, their record is furthest to the left, so that'd be -6, right? Here's the Tigers here. -6 Tigers, and then this is their score. So they're the farthest negative. That would be considered the worst record here for the soccer team. Put those back. Okay, so this is again a plot of our win-loss record for our soccer teams. So explain what the data tell you about the win-loss records of the teams in the league. Okay, students, this is your chance to write down your explanation of why the data tells what it says about the win-loss records and who has the worst and who has the best and why. And you're looking at their win-loss record down here as well. And go ahead and explain that. It's worth 2 points today. And there, one possible explanation: the Badger, Tigers, and Hawks lost more games than they won, so that's why they have a negative score on their season. And then the Jaguars, Cougars, and Wolves won more games than they lost, so they won more. That's why they have a positive record. The Sharks won the same number of games as they lost. That's why they have a 0. So they're at an even record there at a 0. Ordering positive and negative integers. When you read a number line from left to right, the numbers are in order from the least to the greatest. This is the least, and then this would be the greatest here, moving from left to right. Okay, example 1. Fred recorded the following golf scores during his first week at the Golf Academy. In golf, the player with the lowest score wins the game. So graph Fred's scores on a number line and then list the numbers in order from least to greatest. So we're going to graph these on a number here. Here's our number line here, and then we're going to go ahead and plot these from least to greatest. So the scores from the least to greatest are -5. There's -5 here on the number line. And then we have -3. And then we have -2. -1. That means he's under par. And then 0 would be par. And then 3. And then 4. So those are his scores there, and they've all been plotted on the number line. So what day did Fred have his best golf score? So in that situation, what's his best golf score? Figuring that for golf, the least score is the best score. So what would that be? Thursday, he got a -5 on Thursday, and golf, low score is the best score. So this would be his best score here. Why does that keep going? Okay, let's go on. Right there. Yeah, we got it. Back to our number line, and that is part 1 of lesson 1.2 on 6th grade math. And for class worksheets, and other materials for your course, go ahead and email me here, and I'll get those right out to you. Thank you.